Thanks everybody for coming. We're so happy to have everybody here. Of course, it's been in business now for 22 years, and fortunately for us, working with people like you, we're able to bring really great solutions to your clients by melding more than one different solution to each different customer.
Hi, my name is Sempan Ambelam. I'm the president of Exahive. I'm really excited to be here at the Who's Who event, and we're really excited to have been partnered with Chorus Communications. Exahive is a cybersecurity company. We offer secure communications tools. We're really excited to have people try it out.
Hi, how you doing? I'm Wayne Jackson from Level 3, and it's been a pleasure to be invited by Chorus to be one of the sponsors for this great event here. It gives me the opportunity to meet some of the sub-partners and some of the players in the Chorus team. Chorus is a trusted partner of Level 3. We are one of their recommended carriers, and again, it's a pleasure being here and a pleasure sponsoring them to one of their events.
This event is phenomenal. We're going to have over 150 people, some of the top technology partners in the city of Philadelphia and the surrounding region, so a great networking opportunity and a great time for everybody to do more business with each other.
We're at this year's 2016 Who's Who in Technology. Fantastic event. We helped sponsor this event this year because it's just a great place to network and get with other like-minded folks who are doing business in the Philadelphia area.
Hi, I'm Leland Evans. I'm a Director of Channel Sales for Momentum Telecom. We've been working with Chorus for years now. They're really a premier partner in the Philadelphia area. We want to be here because anybody in telecom is here in the Philadelphia area. So that's really why we wanted to be a part of this and want to support the local cause.
We've been a partner of Chorus's for some time now, and the reason we've partnered with Chorus is they really know how to translate business value for carriers such as us and service providers into the day-to-day interactions they're having with their partners for mutual business success. So they understand how to talk the product talk from our perspective and bring it to their customer base and their partner base, really for a mutual win-win success. So I appreciate them having us out today, and we look forward to continue working together.
It's been a great event. I think this afternoon was great hearing what some of the other companies are doing in the industry, what's happening on the market. And we're meeting some great people. So it's been exciting to share ideas with like-minded folks.
Very good information, very good crowd of people.
The event was spectacular. I mean, I'm drinking, meeting colleagues over here that we haven't seen in a while, and happy to be here.
Hey, it's Matt Tucker with Allura Pegasus. So glad to be here. Thanks, Rob and Dan. Amy, love you. Such a great event. Food's fantastic. Look forward to next year and coming soon, Hair of the Dog. Thank you.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming to our Who's Who event this year. Happy to have you at the Waterworks. Thank you to all our sponsors, all of our table sponsors. We had a great time. Looking forward to seeing you again this coming year. Let's do business and we'll rock it out.